family success!
MC family, they are your favorite dance instructors on MSCC stage, coming all the way from Colombia, Diana and Bruya!
Finishing their contrast, these two people over here, guys, please just come here forward. They have been working for us for the last year. They have been here for 12 months already. Happy birthdays, Christmas, New Year's Eve, baby burns for Riri over there. You're gonna see your new baby burn. Wow, congratulations, more Riri. Jose, they're gonna be missed for sure.
Alright, so MSC family, working on boards, we leave our real family behind. But on board, we made people our family. And they have been working with us together for many months. And they live in Toronto with you. And we're gonna miss them because they are really part of our family. So we want to thank you, both of you guys, in front of everyone over here for the great job and for the great commitment that you have made to the amazing beautiful MSCC stage. Thank you for your great support and for your great job. We wish you a long, healthy life, and we wish you a safe trip back home tomorrow. Enjoy your family and friends back home. Thank you, Macarena and Maurice! We are a family. That's what we are, a family. You are part of our family as well. Thank you. Thank you to Macarena and Maurice for being here for so long. And tomorrow they will get an opportunity to go back on and enjoy their family. So MSC family, thank you so much to the rest of you for all the participation, for the love and the energy this week. So we hope that you have such a great vacation with us on board. So we hope that we have met your expectation when it comes to entertainment. So thank you so much, MSC family, and we wish you a long and healthy life, and we wish you safe trip back home to the rest of you. Thank you so much. We are your entertainment team on the beautiful MSCC stage. And right now, we're gonna bring right over here our amazing trio, all the way from the Dominican Republic. They're the trio friends band, and this kind of music for you enjoy. The party is about to begin. Get ready to have an unforgettable time. Grazie a tutti ragazzi, grazie a tutti per il vostro amore, la vostra energia, la partecipazione. Questa settimana è stata ottima per tutti noi. Grazie, grazie di cuore, grazie di cuore. Gracias a todos ustedes, mis queridos amigos. Gracias por la participación, la energía, el amor en esta semana. Eso quiere decir mucho para nosotros que trabajamos en el barrio. Gracias a todos ustedes, les deseamos una vida llena de salud, mucho dinero y les deseamos un feliz viaje a casa.